morning. So today my plan was to get up around 9:30 and go for a walk, but I woke up around 5 to 7 and I was wide awake and I should have gotten up, but I didn't. And then I went back to sleep and I didn't wake up until 11. And then when you wake up and you kind of like overslept, you just feel so groggy and gross and like no longer awake. That's how I woke up. So I wish I went for my walk when I was awake at like 5, but oh well, I didn't. I slept, so that's okay too. So now I'm just getting ready to go for my walk now. So I thought I would bring you along on my walk today because I seriously am loving my walks. I thought I would do braids today. So we're gonna go fill up our water and then put on our shoes and then we'll be ready to go. All right, so I got my shoes on, got my water, I have my backpack, and we are off. So let the adventure begin. I'm at my first park. I wanted to come and explore, but also show you my favorite parks around the neighborhood that I live in. This is probably one of my favorite parks only because it's the first park that I found here just wandering on my own. And this is the park that made me want to explore all the other parks and explore the neighborhood and just go on like adventures, just walk and see what I find. So this first park also has my favorite building, and let me see if I can find it. There's so many palm trees everywhere, which is one of the reasons why I love to walk around, because I definitely don't have palm trees in Canada. Okay, so now let's go to our next park. We're at our second park, and I have things that I like about every park, and every park to me is very different. So the reason I like this park is because there's a whole section of this park full of cactuses, and I think that's honestly so cool because I've never really seen cactuses, I'm gonna say, like in the wild before. my next favorite park, and it's a park that's connected by 3, so it's like 3 parks, but they're all connected a little bit by like little roads in between. I love this one because like there's like this palm tree and it's like all by himself. He's so cute. But yeah, the parks are so peaceful, they're so nice, and there's so much to look at. There's so much different nature, and in each park they have different kinds of trees. Obviously palm trees are the norm in all the parks, but they just have like different kinds, and it's just incredible. So I hope you're enjoying my walk with me so far and everything that I'm seeing in the parks. It's quite hot out. I've been out here for an hour, so I'm gonna start heading back home. Alright, so I went to Tim Hortons and I got a frozen French vanilla. It's already finished. I'm almost home, but I wanted to bring you to one last park. This park is super cool. It has something very different and very cool. The one thing we didn't see at any of the parks today was they do have play centers for kids, but I didn't go to any of the parks that do because it's not something that I need right now. But this park has something very cool. I don't know if you can see the white gates here. There. I'm like slightly out of breath because I've been walking for 2 hours. I have asthma, it's humid, and it's a little bit hot, so yeah, I'm like slightly out of breath, but here we go. We're at this gate, so let's go in. So if you don't know what this is a dog park, so like a dog agility park, so the dogs can like run around here, jump through the hoops. There's so much things for them to do. There's 2 sections, so one over there that I showed you first, now there's this one. It's all covered in sand on the ground, and there's like benches for the owners. It's just so cool. Every park has something different, and I love the fact that they incorporated a place for dogs. I had a dog named Zoe, and she was so fast, and she would have loved coming to a park like this. Okay, that's enough parks for one day. We've almost been walking for over 2 hours, so let's head on home. I'm home. I am so gross and so sweaty. I walked for 2 hours and 9 minutes and I did 6.73 kilometers. Sometimes I try to walk for time, sometimes I try to walk for distance. Today I was just walking for myself, just exploring what I saw and just seeing new things and just taking in the landscape and the moment and all the parks and my surroundings. That was the goal of today's walk, and to show you all the reasons why I love the parks around here and just seeing everything. So I love my flower. It is so cute. I just found it like at the last park. I'm like out of breath. Anyway, I hope you liked today's episode, and I hope you liked seeing all my parks. If you did, there's a million more parks for me to explore around here, so like this video and tell me in the comments you want me to continue. And yeah, I cannot wait to see you on next episode. Thank you for joining me, and I'm ready to shower. I love my flower. Does it go great with my AirPods? Oh, it's so cute. It's falling.